Hey, Jeff here. About to, as they say in the Springs, rant it up. So I got a question. When was the last time you were driving down the street, you pass a grease monkey, and you see a kid out there with a sign that says $20 oil change, and you thought to yourself, oh wow, I better go get an oil change? That's right, never. You know, I don't know when this all began, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, where companies think that they gotta put a young kid out there with a piece of cardboard that tells me, oh, $5 footlongs, you better go get one. Yeah, we get it. They're freaking tasty. They're $5. We know. They were on the last 7 freaking commercials I saw. You know, let's get one thing straight. Chick-fil-A is absolutely delicious. But I'm sorry, when I'm driving down the street and I see a guy out there in a freaking chicken outfit telling me, oh, say no to cows, eat more chicken. All that does is turn me off and make me want to keep freaking driving. When I'm eating a chicken sandwich from Chick fil A, yeah, I'm loving it. But in no way am I thinking about the feathers in the freaking beak. I'm thinking about the freaking patty. Come on, guys. You need to take these kids off the streets, put them behind the counter, put them underneath my vehicle. Don't freaking send them out there during tax season in a goddamn Statue of Liberty costume telling me, oh, you better do your taxes. Yeah, I know. I get it.